Gray Brahmin hide from prized cattle begins a hidden journey through hide yards, tanning drums, cutting tables, and stitching lines few customers ever see. Leather has protected people for thousands of years. Gray Brahmin hide is among the finest material with thick grain, natural strength, and exceptional wear resistance.
We need the next batch of tanned crusts at Station 3.
Copy that, moving them now.
Trucks pull into the receiving yard carrying stacks of raw Gray Brahmin hides, sourced from regional suppliers and delivered in bulk to the factory. Careful unloading and inspection protect quality. A single contaminated hide could compromise the entire batch of premium leather for jackets. Raw Gray Brahmin hides move inside to massive washing drums, where salt, dirt, and blood residue are thoroughly rinsed away in the first cleaning stage.
This lot is high quality.
Okay, I'll mark it down.
This thorough cleaning removes contaminants that could weaken the leather or cause uneven color in the final Gray Brahmin leather jackets. Cleaned hides enter hydraulic splitting machines that separate the strong top grain layer from lower layers of the Gray Brahmin material. Liming drums loosen remaining hair and fat, while precise chemicals prepare the Gray Brahmin hide surface for the critical tanning stage ahead. Large rotating drums carefully blend tanning agents deep into Gray Brahmin hide fibers, beginning the reshape from raw skin into workable leather. At this stage, stiff animal hide visibly changes, becoming pliable, uniform leather stock, ready for further processing into premium jackets. Hides are loaded into massive tanning drums where they tumble for hours as chemicals penetrate fibers, locking in strength and preventing decay. After tanning, the leather passes through drying chambers and staking machines that flex and soften the Gray Brahmin material evenly. Buffing wheels even the grain, while dyeing vats add rich, deep tones to the premium Gray Brahmin leather for beautiful, consistent color. Finishing rollers seal a smooth, luxurious texture, turning raw material into genuine, supple leather, ready to become wearable jackets. On the production floor, skilled cutters lay Gray Brahmin leather sheets over precise jacket patterns, slicing panels with minimal waste. Precision cutting ensures every piece fits perfectly as Gray Brahmin leather transforms from flat sheets into components for high-quality jackets. Sewing machines stitch sleeves, collars, and linings together from the premium Gray Brahmin leather with strong, durable seams. Workers hand-check every seam for strength, while fitting zippers, buttons, and comfortable inner linings into the leather jackets. The Gray Brahmin leather jacket now takes its final wearable shape, no longer just sheets, but a complete premium garment. Any jacket with uneven stitching and weak seams or surface flaws is pulled aside for correction or rejection during quality control. Approved jackets move to the packaging line, where they are carefully folded and wrapped in protective covers. This rigorous inspection protects the brand reputation, ensuring every customer receives a perfectly built Gray Brahmin leather jacket. Each box is sealed securely, turning the premium leather jackets into fully packaged, retail-ready products. Automated systems group the boxes onto pallets and shrink-wrap the stacks for maximum security during transport. Completed pallets of packaged Gray Brahmin leather jackets move into the spacious factory warehouse for organized storage. Forklifts carefully place the pallets onto towering storage racks in the clean, organized warehouse facility.
Barcode scanners log every unit into real-time inventory systems, tracking stock levels accurately at all times.
Forklifts and conveyors load the jackets onto waiting trucks and shipping containers at the busy loading dock. Goods move quickly, minimizing handling time as the leather jackets begin their journey to distributors and retail partners. From the factory, the packaged Grey Brahman leather jackets travel by road, rail, or sea toward regional wholesale destinations. Eventually, the jackets arrive at modern retail stores, where they are unpacked and arranged on attractive display racks. A purchase is made, the tag is cut, and the jacket leaves draped over the shoulders, beginning its life with the new owner. From cattle yard to tanning drum, from cutting table to city sidewalk, this jacket carries a story of industrial skill.
Cleaned Grey Brahman hides travel smoothly on conveyors between washing and splitting stations in the factory. Liming drums rotate, steadily loosening surface materials from Grey Brahman hides with precise chemical balance throughout the process. Tanning chemicals slowly penetrate deep into Grey Brahman hide fibers during extended tumbling inside the massive drums. After tanning, the leather receives careful rinsing to remove excess chemicals before moving to drying stages. Staking machines flex and soften the tanned Grey Brahman leather, making it supple and comfortable for jacket use. Buffing wheels carefully even out the surface grain on every sheet of premium Grey Brahman leather. Dyeing vats immerse the leather, adding consistent, rich, deep colors to the Grey Brahman material. Finishing rollers apply protective coatings, creating the smooth, luxurious texture on the final leather stock.
Quality checks ensure each Grey Brahman leather sheet meets standards before it reaches the cutting tables.
High-precision blades slice jacket panels from Grey Brahman leather, minimizing material waste completely.
Sewing stations join leather sleeves and body panels, creating strong, durable structures for the jackets.
Collars and soft inner linings are attached with care to complete the Grey Brahman leather jacket structure.
Zippers, buttons, and reinforcements are fitted precisely, ensuring comfort and long-lasting performance.
Each completed Grey Brahman leather jacket receives a final visual and structural check before inspection.
Zippers are cycled multiple times to confirm smooth, reliable operation on the premium leather jackets. Under bright lights, inspectors verify perfect color consistency and flawless surface on each jacket. Minor flaws, if found, lead to immediate correction, ensuring only perfect Grey Brahman jackets proceed. Approved jackets are neatly folded with precision before protective wrapping on the packaging line. Protective covers are applied smoothly around each folded Grey Brahman leather jacket. Jackets are placed gently into branded boxes with size and batch information clearly labeled.
Sealing machines close each box securely, preparing the leather jackets for safe journey ahead.
Robotic systems neatly stack sealed boxes onto sturdy pallets for efficient warehouse handling. Shrink wrap is applied tightly around full pallets, securing the packaged leather jackets. Forklifts lift and position the wrapped pallets onto designated high storage locations. Advanced scanners update the inventory system with exact locations of every jacket pallet. Organized racks maintain perfect order, allowing rapid retrieval of specific Grey Brahman jacket batches.
Teams efficiently pick and move requested pallets toward the loading dock area. Loading dock crews transfer pallets smoothly onto outbound trucks and containers. Secure loading ensures the jackets travel safely to distributors and retail locations worldwide.
Jackets are thoughtfully arranged on premium store shelves under attractive, warm lighting.
The texture on this gray Brahmin is incredible.
It really is. The stitching is flawless, too.
And here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. I love it.
Each jacket represents thousands of skilled steps, from raw hide to finished luxury garment.
Behind the simple, elegant jacket lies an impressive world of modern manufacturing precision and care.